Hello there, I'm in a new DaVinci Resolve project. In the Edit page or section, let's import a video in the media pool. When asked to change the frame rate, hit Don't Change. Now, drag the video to the timeline. Move over to the Fairlight page of DaVinci. On the upper side you have many tabs you could switch to, like the sound library or the media pool, for example. Now let's get back to the edit page and add a new track, a new mono track. Rename this to voiceover. Go to Fairlight page again. Now you see the voiceover track over here. Click to select it, and on the right side on the A2 column you will see the voiceover track. If you don't see the mixer panel, click on this button called mixer, and then the mixer panel will appear in the lower right part. Remember to select the A2 column. To link the microphone you would click the No Input button and then click Input from the drop-down menu. In the new window you will see your microphone as a source and the voiceover as the destination. Make sure that the microphone is selected, that white box means that it is selected, and then make sure that the voiceover is selected too. Hit Patch and then close the window. To start recording, you will go and click the R button from the voiceover track, and then go and hit the record button from the timeline buttons. Hello, this is a test of voiceover recording in DaVinci Resolve 16. In this video I'm showing you how to enable the microphone and start recording, and after that I will add some effects to improve the voiceover, like removing the noise and adding some other voice record improvement effect. Let's play it one more time. Hello, this is a test of voiceover recording in DaVinci Resolve 16. Now we add the first sound effect to it. We will normalize the audio levels, so right click and hit Normalize Audio Levels. From the normalization mode drop down, select Repeat and leave it to -2. The audio waveform has changed. Let's zoom in to see it better. And we play the recording again. Hello, this is a test of voiceover recording in DaVinci Resolve 16. In this video, the next sound effect we will add is the noise removal effect. Select the A2 track from the mixer panel. Click the plus sign, and then from the Fairlight effects drop down we will select noise reduction. A new window opens. On the upper side, from the drop-down menu, you can select a ready-made template, like the Rumble, for example. Now we hit the alarm button and move the recording from the beginning and play it. Hello, this is a test of voiceover recording in DaVinci Resolve 16. In this video I'm showing you how to enable the microphone and start recording, and after that I will add some effects to improve the voiceover, like removing the noise and adding some. I believe you noticed the effects of noise reduction. Now let's close this window. It removes any unwanted background noise. Now we are ready to add the other effects. Let's make this panel bigger. This time we select dialog processor. The effect is added to the out. Hello, this is a test of voiceover recording in DaVinci Resolve 16. In this video I'm showing you how to enable the microphone and start recording, and after that I will add some effects to improve the voiceover, like removing the noise and adding some other voice record improvement effects. Now close this window. We go to the edit page again and play the video. Hello, this is a test of voiceover recording in DaVinci Resolve 16. In this video I'm showing you how to enable the microphone and start. In this video you saw how to enable the microphone and start recording in DaVinci. We also reduced the background noise using the noise reduction effect. And finally we added a dialog processor effect to the voice to achieve a better sounding voiceover. Thanks for watching and see you next time.